Hi guys, welcome to Adulting with Novia, and I'm Novia, and today we're going to be doing our homeschool planning for the month of October 2018 in my Erin Condren Life Planner turned homeschool planner. So I got my list of events that we're doing that are homeschool related, and I'm also going to be using a combination kit of notes and monthly kit from an Etsy store called Pinky Stickers. I'll post the link down below, but I've cut everything out already to make it easier and quicker so I'm not struggle busing through this. So let's get cracking. We're going to turn to our October notes page, and usually on the notes page what I've been trying to keep up with is library checkout, any to-do lists, any major events that are unavoidable, which are things that I've paid for and we're doing it no matter what, and birthdays and any other miscellaneous things. I think down here is is my wish list, but I didn't write wish list, but I'm gonna need to remember to do that later. But I think this month there are no birthdays that she has to write letters or birthday cards for, so yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what I'm actually going to do. So I'm going to start with these notes sections. Let me white out this flag a bit because it's orange and this kit is not, as you can see, it's a very cute kit. It's not exactly orangey. It's very purpley and gray and pinky. I love it. It's very cute. Non-traditional Halloween colors are my jam. So yeah, this month we have quite a bit planned. There's a lot of things going on, and I try and take advantage of our local goings-ons during the September, October, and November months, because at least in our area, it dies off pretty quickly. Like our January, February, March is kind of struggly because those are what I call our dead months because nothing really happens. So let's see. I know I'm going to need my library list, so I'm trying to decide if I'm going to, actually I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make our library list a pretty fat one. This guy, am I gonna? So for my notes, I have a library checkout, which I'm going to use these two big things for, because if you're a homeschooler, you know your checkout list is extensive. To-dos and events. I'm going to flip over to my monthly real quick. I have no idea. Oh, this is an old post-it note. I was supposed to say, what is this post-it for? All right. Now, this one, we're gonna start just slapping down some stickers. One of the things I like about her kit is that she includes these holiday ones, or some of them are even wacky holidays, I guess. So she has Smile Day, Columbus Day, which I don't celebrate, but I'll put it in there to mark Indigenous Peoples Day. Astronomy Day, Daylight Saving Time ends, Cat Day, and Halloween. Although I don't know when Daylight Saving Time ends for us. Is it the 28th? Let me check real quick. I'll mark down Smile Day, which is on the 5th, which is nice. I'll put it on the bottom. Columbus Day, which is on the 8th. I really need sticker makers to make Indigenous Peoples Day instead of Columbus Day. Astronomy Day, which is the 13th. Is that on the other side? Of course it is. And our Daylight Savings Time doesn't end until November, so I'm not going to do that one. The 29th is Cat Day. And 31st, of course, is Halloween. Ah, no! What happened? And the 30th, or the 31st, Halloween. Okay, so that's where we are so far. That's actually looking really cute. It's looking really adorable. I love it. So now I need to start transferring all of our October events for homeschooling into this bad boy, which is quite a few this month. On Tuesday, we're gonna do some pioneer activities. On the 9th, I'm making marbled paper. And there is a net. On the 16th, we're making clay. On the 23rd, we're doing paper airplanes. And on the 30th, we're creating Franken-toys. This is for the pumpkin patch. I don't even know how I'm doing this right now. Okay. And then she has reader dogs. At 2. What is on the 7th? Oh. We're going to Chicago on the 12th. I'm just going to put $12 because it's a play. On the 19th, wait, she has Coder Dojo. Which is at 5. On the 26th, Haunted Lab. STEM event. I need to remember to bring $10. And I don't remember what time it was. And the 27th, she's doing Space Day. Try and do my rudimentary doodle here. Space Day from 8 to 4. She is going to be gone all day. And I still have no idea what to do with this sidebar. But we'll figure it out. So yeah, that is my monthly and my homeschool calendar for October. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you would like to see more videos from me, make sure you click the red subscribe button that's down below right there with the little, and also hit the little bell ringer next to it so you can be notified when I hit my next video. Thank you again so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.